I'm a geek because I love innovations.
Because it's fun, it's easy.
Because I love traveling.
I am a geek because I wake up with my 400 friends just because of Facebook.
Hi, I'm geek because I love this. So great.
I'm a geek because the last thing I do at night is I sleep with my computer, and the first thing I do in the morning is I wake up with my computer.
I'm a geek because I have 3 pizzas in my home.
Well, I'm a geek because I love Facebooking, blogging and tweeting.
I'm a geek because I love the F1 key.
I'm a geek because...
You are a geek because he's a hacker and I'm a cracker.
I'm a geek because my mom pays and
I'm a geek because I live and dream about computers.
I'm a geek because I can do this.
I'm a geek because I hate to work.
I'm a geek because my home is full of fires. Thanks.
I'm a geek because I'm married to my PC.
I'm a geek because I'm a marksman and my name is Rahul.
I'm a geek because I love to have people in my fingertips.
I am a geek because I love learning online.
I'm a geek because I removed the fly from the fly from the computer screen from a mouse pointer. So I'm a geek. I'm a geek because I love Windows Phone.
I'm a geek because I love mouse.
I'm a geek.
So I'm a geek. Niranjan Basnet, MSP 2012. I'm Sunny Pathak from Advanced Engineering College.
Ojasvi Vaidya.
My name is Rasik Thilanan and I'm from St. Lawrence College.
It's me, Suresh Gautam.
So great. And I am Deepak Bhatta.
And then Prashant Kumar.
And I'm Ashish.
And I'm Rita.
Sumit Dhiran.
And Mitsha Shrestha. Ravina Saki.
I'm Vinamra Sarpa.
Yusman Shrestha.
My name is Uttam Shrestha.
I'm Shraddha, aka Mother.
Thanks, and my name is Rojit. Thanks.
And my name is Pranita Shrestha.
And my name is Rahul.
And I'm Aditi Adhikari.
Assistant.
I'm artist with double A.